Right now, Ford offers several factory-backed aftermarket packages for its vehicles. If you want to customize and accessorize your F-150 or Bronco, the Blue Oval has you covered, and it's launching a new visual package for its off-road SUV that takes inspiration from rare natural phenomena that happen in the Utah desert. The Bronco Desert Rising is the first in Ford's New Horizon series of packages. The SUV stands out with its white trail sights and pink painted grille. The graphics are optional, but the pack comes standard with white method wheels and a white bucking Bronco emblem. Inside, the Bronco features magenta catskin leather seats and a serialized console badge. Ford is limiting the Bronco Desert Rising package to 1,000 units. The pack will be available on trucks with white, black, gray, or red exteriors. The pack, built off the Bronco Outer Banks, costs $13,695. You can order it starting today. The Bronco Desert Rising is the latest from Ford Custom Garage, the automaker's dedicated division for factory-backed aftermarket upgrades. The new Bronco pack brings the total to 8, with Ford also readying the Bronco OVR pack. It will be available to order later this year, and it adds 17-inch black weld wheels, black lug nuts, a Fox off-road suspension, Havoc fender flares, red tow hooks, and so much more. You can even add additional options like a high-clearance Borla exhaust, upgraded fog lights, and more. It will cost $16,499 and will be available this fall. The automaker launched Ford Custom Garage in November 2024. According to the automaker, 46% of new Ford buyers purchase accessories for their vehicles, and the automaker is trying to make the process as easy as possible. The packages can be ordered directly from Ford as the vehicle is being built, or the automaker will send the package as a kit for the dealer to install. The packs come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty when installed by a certified dealer. Ford will also sell the parts individually.